That, my friend, is a very good idea. And I did it. Watch. The new bamboo countertop extension. It holds up, but we're asking it to hold a lot of weight on these. So what I did was, sorry, my screwdriver ran out of juice, but I added a holder for the leg, and I'm going to show you how I put the leg up. Actually, the first thing I'm going to do is get that fourth screw in now that I've recharged my and this is just an adjustable leg that I got off of Amazon with a screw in point. Put it on, screw it in, and just let it kind of find its own level. And there, I think the leg was like 25 bucks. I mean, look at that, that's great. I think I've basically doubled my counter space. It fits, it looks like it makes sense. And when I'm done, all I have to do is unscrew the leg, put the leg in the storage right there. Drop it down. Yay! That is a great addition. Love it.